The monarch butterfly is now listed as an endangered species, and we as homeowners can do a few things to help them out. First of all, one thing that we need to be aware of is that monarch butterflies have a host plant, and it's called milkweed. Now, there are many native milkweeds to the United States, just as the monarch butterfly is native to the United States and to North America. Now, they do migrate from Canada all the way down to Mexico, and they make stops along the way in our yards to get nectar for the caterpillars to eat on that milkweed, and the adults lay eggs on that milkweed as well. Now, one thing we can do is plant native milkweed for the monarch butterflies, and today we're here in a wonderful pollinator bed. First of all, there are two different native species of milkweed here. We have this swamp milkweed that has a beautiful pink flower here, and you see these clusters, and not only do the monarchs love them, but beetles and bees and all sorts of other pollinators are here in these flowers getting nectar. And then we also have this butterfly weed that is also another native milkweed. Now, this one is making seeds. Now, once the seed pod dries, you can actually harvest those seeds and plant those. So as homeowners, there are three main things that we can do to help the monarch butterflies. One is to plant native milkweed species. Two is to plant a diversity of flowering native plants that provide nectar to monarchs. And three, to reduce or eliminate your pesticide use. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.